Hello everyone, let us now discuss today's LeetCode POTD problem. Here we are given with divide nodes into maximum number of groups. Here we are given with a graph which is having n nodes, and we are also given 2D array edges. That means this represents edges of I is equal to AI BI, indicates the bidirectional edge between AI and BI. Now we need to color these graphs level by level. This is the level 1, this is the level 2, and level 3 and level 4. If you see this graph or this node and this node is having an edge, and if you see this color, if I mark this color as 3 and mark this color as 4, the red one as 4 and the violet one as 3, these two are connected and the difference between these is 1. This is what given in the question, but we can solve this using breadth first search. So let me start by coloring this stuff. The first color I take is red. So my color is red, and the number for this color will be 1. Then I'll take the green color, and the number for green color will be 2. Now after that I'll take blue. The number for this blue will be 3. Then I take 4 or orange color, then my number for this color will be 4. But wait, we need to take the maximum depth. If you see, the depth till here is just 1. Till here it is just 2. And here it is 3. And for this node also it is 3. And now here it is 4 and here it is 4. But where should I return -1? If you see here, 3 and 4, or sorry, 2 and 3 are connected, and I say that these two are having, like, let me take the color of blue, right? Or I'll take this color. Now 2 and 3 are connected, right? And if I say 3 is having the color 4 and 2 is having the color 3, and the difference between these two is 1, it is satisfying our condition. Now these two are connected, and 2 is having the color number 3 and 6 is having the color number 4, and they both are connected by an edge, and the absolute difference is 1. Now let me take this again. 4 and 6 are connected, and 4 is having the color 3 and 6 is having the color 4, and the absolute difference between these two is 1. But if I take this graph, so coloring the graph with the first color will be green, and then the second color will be blue. Now the second color will be blue, and let me take the third color. Now the third color is orange. Now if you see, I only made the edges between 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. Now if I make an edge between 3 and 1, if you see 3 and 1, if I make the edge, this edge is connecting 1 and also 3. So let me take 1 and 3. If I take the absolute difference between these two, I will get 2 as my answer. So this is why they return -1, because this condition is not satisfied in this exam. So I'll do two things, right? The first thing, every node will have the distances vector. That means a vector of distances, and it will store the distance till 5, till 1, and till 2, and till 4, node 4, or 3 and 6. That's how. Now, I will maintain colors for every node. 1 will be having the color 2, 2 will be having the color 3, and 4 also will be having the color 4, sorry, 3, and 3 will be having color 4, 6 will be having color 4. Now, how do I maintain these colors? Now, if I take this as my current node, 2 is my current node. So, my current node is 2. Now, the neighbor nodes are 3 and 6, right? So what will I do now? 2 is having the color, right? The first thing, 2 is having the color 3. Now this is the number of color that represents. Now if I take the same example or the intuition, 3 and 6 are having the color 4. So 2 and 3, 2 and 6, if I take the absolute difference, it is 1. So what will I do? If there are neighbors for this current node, I will increase the the color. If my current node is having 3, then my neighbor nodes will have 3 plus 1. The same here, 1 is having the color 2, and the neighbors 2 and 4 are having colors 3. That means the current node plus 1. How? The color of current node plus 1 is applied to color of neighbor, right? So This is how we solve this problem. Now, I have applied this, but the problem is if the absolute difference between the colors is not 1, if it is not is equal to 1, then we will return -1. Now, it is a simple breadth first search algorithm, and there might be another component like 7 will be here and 8 will be here. So what will I do? My intuition will be start from 5 and also start from 7. Here the depth will be 1, and here the depth will be 2, and after that I will accumulate all the depths, all the maximum depths. Here it will be 1 initially, the maximum depth, then it will be 4 at the end. For this component it is 4, and for this component it is 2. Then I'll add these two levels and return. So if you want the algorithm and code, uh, you can go to the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.